In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply and customize transitions in Google Slides. Transitions add a dynamic flow to your presentation, making it more engaging and visually appealing. Understanding how to effectively use these can make a significant difference in how your audience perceives your presentation. So let's dive right in and walk through exactly how you can do this. First things first, you'll need to have your presentation open in Google Slides. Once you've got it up, navigate to the slide where you'd like to apply a transition. This is important because you'll be adjusting settings that are specific to the selected slide unless you opt to apply them to all slides. Having your starting point set can streamline the entire process. From there, look towards the top menu. You're going to click on Slide, and from the drop-down menu, you'll choose Transition. Selecting this opens up the Motion pane on the right-hand side of your window. This pane is your main control center for all things related to transitions. It gives you the flexibility and options you need to customize how your slides move from one to the next. In this pane, there's a drop-down menu under the section labeled Transition Effect. Here, you'll find a variety of options like Fade, Slide, Flip, Cube, and more. It's worth taking a look through these to see what style might best suit the tone and content of your presentation. Selecting one will immediately configure that transition effect for the slide you're currently working on. Next to the drop-down, you'll see a speed slider or a control similar to it that lets you set how quickly you want the transition to occur. Adjusting this slider to the left will make the transition slower, while moving it to the right will speed things up. It's a simple way to fine-tune the pacing of your presentation to match the energy you're aiming for. If you decide that you'd like this transition to apply across the entire presentation, there's no need to manually configure each slide. Simply click Apply to all slides within the same pane. This will ensure a cohesive and consistent transition throughout, which can be especially useful in longer presentations. To see how everything looks, you can click Play in the pane to preview the transition you've set. This allows you to visualize the effect in real time and make any adjustments as necessary. Should you decide later down the line that you'd like to remove the transition, just head back into the Motion pane, set the transition to None, and apply it to all slides, if that's your preference. And there you have it. Simple steps to add a touch of professionalism and flair to your presentations using transitions. Explore different effects and speeds to find the perfect combination that complements your slides. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.